As you can see, we put the charwood inside the bird nest. And then we just find the right angle for our magnifier lens and leave it there. Actually, this is really a small lens, so in summer we have no problem. During spring, especially with weather like today, which is not perfectly sunny, but we have some cloud, so we have to work a little bit more to start the fire. But as you can see, the fire has started. Now let's do it the rest. We put our burners and we put it inside this, like this. As you can see, during summer or spring you can use only this and eventually some piece of charcoal to start your fire. This is all you need in the summer if you want to travel light and have a good lunch on the open fire. I'm not saying that you can use this instead of this. You can use this to batoon, to split the wood, to make feather sticks and many other stuff. This is a bushcraft knife. This is not. I'm only saying that eventually you can always put this in your pocket and have a good fire in the open. And I have chosen this model. I will put the name of this model in the description of the video because of the magnifier lens. You have another model with the foldable saw, but it doesn't have this, so I prefer this model. You also have another model with the foldable saw and the magnifier lens, but is too large for me and for my pockets, so I prefer this model. Also because the foldable saw of this length for me is useless, because you only can cut pieces of wood of this size, but you can always split this size of wood with only some work without the saw, so I prefer the model without the saw but with the magnifier lens. So it's a good choice to take it with you. It's not expensive. I guess it's around 30 bucks or something like that. You have a good knife, good blade, inox blade, but if you sharpen it, it's really sharp and take the edge for a while. You have a small knife for fine cutting, and you also have the scissor and other stuff that you won't use on the field, but it's always useful, like this. You can open a bottle of beer with this, so it's a perfect companion for me in the summer. Can stay in the pocket without you remember of having it.